What are the most important skills to be a successful crypto investor? Is it understanding market cycles? Very, very good question. Let's go to Bill.
Well, the first and most important thing is your ability to keep your head clear. So you can understand and you can buy a bunch of books and get the best TradingView subscription that there is. But if you can't keep your head clear, you can't read them. Now, that said, you are going to have to study. So I would say the second biggest characteristic is a desire and enjoyment of the learning process. Keeping in mind that the learning process in crypto is not always fun. You will buy the top, you will sell the low, whether you're experienced or not. Okay. But you're going to have to both study and learn through experience. Okay. And the third thing I would say is resiliency, right? Don't rage quit crypto after a bad trade or at the bottom of a sudden down move. Now, it's easy to say. It's all of these things are easier said than done, but particularly that third one. So things like breathing exercises, setting out a regular amount of time to study, like 30 minutes or a half hour, finding an aspect of crypto that you actually enjoy. Right? You know, I know there's the word cry is embedded in the word crypto, but you got to find your crypto happy space. All right. And that's how I would break it down.
All right, thank you, Bill. Let's go to Forrest.
I think the single most important thing, and there's three things that I'm going to talk about. First is risk management. If you can manage your risk and not get wrecked with your entire portfolio, that is extremely, extremely important. Because if you zoom out and take a look at total cryptocurrency market cap, it's moving up at an exponential pace. Oh, we're cutting my screen. I'll just cut over to total cryptocurrency market cap, right? Let's zoom out here. You can't make a ton of mistakes investing in an asset class that is rising this fast. Is if you manage your risk correctly, you stay patient over the long term. Yes, there are periods of downswings after a bull market, right? And you regulate your emotions. You don't FOMO in at the top, and you stay smart and patient and accumulate during the bear market. It's that simple. It's easier said than done. Regulating your emotions and staying patient is one of the toughest things to do in crypto. But if you do those two things and you just start managing your risk, diversify, right? Don't FOMO into Dogecoin. I know that's a lot of people make a ton of money that way in the short term, but those are the exceptions, not the rule, right? So those three things, I'll reiterate them one more time: risk management, patience, having a long-term time horizon, and regulating your emotions.
All right, thank you, Forrest. So I would say the top three skills. One is just being curious, right? Because you have to love doing this, right? And if you love doing this, it's not even a job. I mean, because think about this, right? At least with me, right? Here I am on a Sunday night talking crypto, right? But this is life. Like to me, crypto is life, right? So talking crypto, researching crypto, all this comes from a deep interest in learning and being part of the next wave of the internet, right? So when you frame it like that here we're on the ground floor of building the next internet, and we're going to find all these projects and make money investing in them, right? That curiosity will get you through, right? Because if you're not really curious, if you're just here for a quick flip, you'll get wrecked and you'll miss the real money, the real gains, right? Because in the bear market, when everybody's gone and closed up shop, that curiosity will keep you around to still do the work, to still find those projects. Then the next thing I would say is have a system. Have a system and stick to it, right? Whether it's value investing, whether it's trading, whether it's whatever. Find a system, stick to it, right? Because that system takes away the emotion, right? Most people get wrecked because they're trading with their emotions. That's not trading, it's just a chemical. So if you're trading or investing, find a system, stick to it, Because once you have a system and you stick to it, you can then see patterns that you normally can't find if you're just winging it, right? And then constantly reassess that system and try to make it better, evolve that system, right? So with us, we began with a spreadsheet. Now we have token metrics. Now we have AI. Now we have code reviews. Our system is getting even more thorough with each year. So then last thing I would say is think long term. The real money is made long term. Don't view the market or your investments but by the month, by the quarter. Think long term, and that's tough to do, but that's where the real money is, right? So find projects with good value and stick to them long term. That's my system in a way, value investing. But long term is where the real money is made. Most people get wrecked because they're trying to make a quick buck. They're trying to chase meme coins, and in crypto, in general, with all investments, you don't have to win on every investment. And you don't, just because you see other people winning with meme coins or Dogecoin, doesn't mean you have to go chasing every single sexy investment. Find your bread and butter and stick to it, right? My bread and butter is value investing. I stick to it. Others could be trading. Whatever it is, stick to it and think long term. Great question.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.